Working from home? Here's a crucial tip. Avoid using personal devices like smartphones or laptops to access company cloud applications. This simple step can protect your company's network. Using personal devices without proper security measures can introduce viruses or hackers into your company's network. If your device isn't covered by a managed security plan, it poses a significant risk. Remember, data in the cloud is as vulnerable as data stored in your office. In fact, 59% of ransomware incidents involve data in the public cloud. To safeguard your company's data, only use devices equipped with advanced cybersecurity tools. These tools ensure constant patching, updating, and monitoring. Vigilance is crucial because attackers often target cloud data, stealing and storing it for ransom. For a secure work-from-home setup, consider professional assistance. We can help establish a secure connection, ensuring your remote work is safe and efficient. Contact our office to learn more about setting up a secure work-from-home environment.